A Chime refund stays pending most often because the merchant hasn't released the funds yet, or because your bank is still processing the reversal in its system. By the end of this, you'll know how to check where your refund is stuck, how long each step usually takes in practice, and what you can actually do to speed up the update. Start by opening the Chime app and tapping on the transaction that shows the pending refund. If it still shows pending, that means the refund has been initiated but not fully completed between the merchant and the bank network. Next, check the original purchase inside your transaction history. Refunds can't finalize until the original charge has fully cleared on both sides. If the original transaction is still processing, the refund will stay in a pending state automatically. Now, open your merchant receipt or email confirmation if you still have it. Some stores delay refund processing until their internal system batches returns, which can add extra waiting time before the bank even receives the credit. Next, check your available balance versus your total balance in Chime. Refunds often show up in total balance first, but don't immediately update available balance until processing is complete. If nothing is updating, check your bank connection status inside the app. A broken or outdated connection can sometimes delay transaction updates even when the refund is already moving through the system. Next, make sure your Chime app is fully updated. Older versions can display delayed or incomplete transaction status information. If the refund has been pending for a while, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces a refresh of your account data and can update the transaction timeline. Avoid disputing or re-requesting the refund too early. Multiple refund requests or support tickets can slow down processing instead of speeding it up. If it's an online purchase, also check the merchant's refund policy. Some merchants process refunds only on specific business days, which can create delays even after approval. If everything looks correct but the refund is still stuck, contact Chime support. Give them the transaction date, merchant name, and refund amount so they can trace it through the payment network. To sum it up, check the original transaction status, confirm the merchant has issued the refund, verify your balance updates, and refresh your account connection. Next, wait for both the merchant and bank processing to complete before taking further action. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Chime tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.